Greetings everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting introduction for all you solar enthusiasts out there, starting with the DCM8500PV Solar Clamp Meter paired with the DCM3010FLEX, essentially a flexible current meter. It's truly a dynamic duo that's set to revolutionize your solar projects. First, let's talk about the remarkable features of the DCM8500PV. First in line, we have the true RMS measurement, which ensures pinpoint accuracy of complex waveforms, providing reliability for your solar installations. It also has a non-contact AC and DC current measurement for up to 2000 amps, enhancing safety and saving time by eliminating the need for wire disconnection. Versatility at its peak, allowing you to measure AC, DC voltage, resistance, continuity, frequency, and more, as well as convenient data logging and storage, making analysis reporting a breeze. Plus a large display ensuring easy readings in low light conditions. Now let's talk a bit about the DCM3010FLEX. Its compact and flexible design makes accessing tight spaces a breeze, enabling precise measurements of small currents. Expanding the capabilities of the DCM8500PV allows measurement of AC currents for up to 3000 amps. Non-contact measurement ensures operator safety, completely eliminating the risk of wire damage. These two are the perfect solar kit and a must-have for anyone in the solar energy field. It's safe, reliable, and packed with features that simplify and enhance your work. Explore this incredible solar kit on our website today, and of course, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for tuning in.